Theta value equivalent to 55.1888 rands a coin. The present cost range 54.783, 56.5 before and 52. The earlier day close 55.70, 565. The change was 0.5 in 677, 102%. Converse rate ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at 52,000 rands. Excessive cost 64.54, while low cost 52,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 57.22. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 60.32. Change for July 16%. Theta figure for August 2024. Initially cost at 60.32 rands. Excessive cost 74.87, while low cost 60.32. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 66.37. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 69.97, change for August 16%. Theta cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 69.97 rands. Exorbitant cost 82.34, while low cost 69.97. The found the middle value of cost 74.81. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 76.95, change for September 10%. Theta estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 76.95 rands. Exorbitant cost 86.53, while low cost 75.21. The found the middle value of cost 79.89. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 80.87, change for October 5.1%. Theta cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 80.87 rands. Exorbitant cost 87.91, while low cost 76.41. The found the middle value of cost 81.84. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 82.16, change for November 16%. Theta gauge for December 2024. To start with cost at 82.16 rands. Exorbitant cost 89.59, while low cost 77.87. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 83.34. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 83.73, change for December 19%. Theta cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at 83.73 rands. Excessive cost 91.02, while low cost 79.12. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 84.74. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 85.07, change for January 16%. Theta conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 85.07 rands. Excessive cost 85.07, while low cost 72.06. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 79.92. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 77.48, change for February 8.9%. Theta gauge for April 2025. In the first place cost at 75.53 rands. Exorbitant cost 75.53, while low cost 63.07. The found the middle value of cost 70.49. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 67.82, change for April 10.2%. Theta cost expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at 67.82 rands. Excessive cost 83.65, while low cost 67.82. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 74.37. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 78.18 at change for May 15%. Theta figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 78.18 rands. Excessive cost 97.04, while low cost 78.18. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 86.02. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 90.69, change for June 16%. Theta cost expectation for July 2025. Before all else cost at 90.69 rands. Excessive cost 98.59, while low cost 85.69. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 91.78. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 92.14, change for July 16%. Theta conjecture for August 2025. Before all else cost at 92.14 rands. Excessive cost 116, while low cost 87.06. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 93.24. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 93.61, change for August 16%. Theta cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place cost at 93.61 rands. Exorbitant cost 109.76, while low cost 93.61. The found the middle value of cost 99.89. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 102.58, change for September 9.6%. Theta gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 102.58 rands. Exorbitant cost 108.05, while low cost 93.91. The found the middle value of cost 101.38. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 198. Change for October 16%. Theta cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at 198 rands. Exorbitant cost 198, while low cost 83.78. The found the middle value of cost 93.96. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 90 or 9. Change for November 10.8%. Theta figure for December 2025. Before all else, cost at 90 or 9 rands. Excessive cost 109.94, while low cost 90 or 9. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 98.22. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 102.75. Change for December 14.1%. Theta cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place, cost at 102.75 rands. Exorbitant cost 102.75, while low cost 88.96. The found the middle value of cost 97.53. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 95.66. Change for January 6.9%. Theta gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 95.66 rands. Exorbitant cost 103.99, while low cost 90.39. The found the middle value of cost 96.81. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 97.19. Change for February 16%. Theta cost expectation for walk 2026. Initially cost at 97.19 rands. Excessive cost 105.66, while low cost 91.84. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 98.36. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 98.75. Change for spring 16%. Theta figure for April 2026. Initially cost at 98.75 rands. Excessive cost 122.57, while low cost 98.75. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 108.66. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 114.55. Change for April 16%. Theta cost expectation for May 2026. At the outset, cost at 114.55 rands. Excessive cost 142.18, while low cost 114.55. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 126.04. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 132.88. Change for May 16%. Theta gauge for June 2026. In the first place, cost at 132.88 rands. Exorbitant cost 144.46, while low cost 125.56. The found the middle value of cost 134.48. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 135.01. Change for June 16%. Theta cost expectation for July 2026. Before all else, cost at 135.01 rands.